How to set up Meta Business Manager in 2024. Welcome back to our channel, BOSSA School of Advertising. My name is Joshua Amobi, and on this channel, we hope to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, startup founders grow and scale their business digitally. And we cover subjects like digital advertising, digital marketing. We share strategies, hacks, tips, insights that we've personally used to grow our own business and other businesses across Africa and the globe. So in today's video, I'll be walking you on a step-by-step guide, a full guide on how to set up a Meta Business Manager account in 2024. A lot of things have changed. The reason why we are updating this particular video is because the structure on how to set up a Meta Business Manager account has changed. And what is a Meta Business Manager account? Why do you need a Meta Business Manager account? What are the advantages of having a Meta Business account? So number one, a Meta Business Manager account, it's an account that holds every of Meta's platform, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, plus Messenger. So basically what it means is that if you have a Meta Business account, you can be able to control all your Meta related platforms or handles via one channel. So that is what a Meta Business account does. I'll be taking you through that. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome, go to your browser, any of the browser, whether if you're using Chrome or Safari or any browser at all. So go to your Chrome, type business.facebook.com. So that's the website to be able to create a Meta Business account. So business.facebook.com. You will get this particular screen if your Facebook profile is not logged into that particular browser. So if your Facebook profile is not logged into that particular browser, you will get the screen. If it's logged into that particular browser, I will show you after I log in the screen that you're going to get. And also, if you don't have any Facebook page, or probably you've logged into your Facebook profile but you don't have any Facebook page, you will also see a different prompt entirely. So the prompt you'll be seeing when you don't have a Facebook page at all for your profile name is that it will tell you to log in to your Facebook page or create a Facebook page or Instagram handle to be able to access the Meta Business Manager account and suites. So that's what you're going to be seeing, the prompt you're going to be seeing on that page. But for those who have already logged in and also have an existing page, I will once you visit the site, I will quickly take you to the page that you're going to see. So yeah, let me log into my Facebook. Okay, so I click on login. So yeah, so once I log in, this is the page. If you already have created a Facebook page under your Facebook profile, this is the page that you will see once you visit business.facebook.com. So what this page is called is a business suite. That's what this page is called. It's a bit different from the business manager. So the business suite has a lot to do with the other platforms of other features of Facebook and Meta. I'm talking about your Facebook page, your Facebook Instagram, your Instagram handle, I mean to say, your WhatsApp, your Messenger. This is what you'll be able to manage via the Meta Business Suite. But for the Meta Business Manager, that's where you get to manage things that has to do with advertising, that has to do with the Meta Manager app in general, settings and setups that has to do with the Meta Manager app in general. But the suite has a lot to do with the other platforms. So that's how to set up the first level of Meta Business Suite. So let's check out the Meta Business Manager. So how do I go about that? So I'll scroll up, I'll go to all tools. Let me go back. Let me go to billings and payments. So billings and payments is also a feature or of Meta Business Manager, not Meta Business Suite. So it's just connected to Meta Business Suite. So as you can see, the interface is totally different from the user interface is totally different from that of Meta Business Suite. So if I click on all tools, now this is the setting. This is the setup and the features available for Meta Business Manager, not Meta Business Suite. So I'll just go to business settings. Yeah, I'll just go to business settings under the shortcut. So I click on business settings. Yeah. So once I click on business settings, it will prompt me to create a Meta Business Manager. Like I told you, Meta Business Suite manages everything that has to do with Facebook page, um, Instagram handle, messaging, comments, and all of those things. But Meta Business Manager handles advertising and several other features and several other aspects, monetization as well, several other aspects um, of Meta. So I'll just click on create account. So it will now ask me for a business name. So let me say BOSSA, and then my name, and then my business email. So let me put this quickly. Okay, then I hit submit. Okay, so I need to quickly confirm the email. They sent me an email, so I need to quickly confirm that. So I'll go right to my email. So if you go to your email and you can't find it, just go to social section. That's if you're using Gmail. Just go to your social section of your email. That's where you will find the confirmation email. So I click on confirm now. So once I click on confirm now, it takes me back to business.facebook.com. So it wrote my email has been verified. So I'm back to Meta Business Manager fully. So once I create a page, automatically Meta has given, I've created a business suite because I have a page, I have a profile, but they had to take an extra step. They've already created the business manager, but they had to take an extra step to kind of give my business manager a name and also verify my email, because that's how they will keep in communication with me. For the other videos, I made mention how to create another account, another ad account, how to verify your Meta Business Manager account. I'll be leaving the link in the video, and other videos that I mentioned about, I'll also leave the link in the video for you to watch that and for you to be able to do that for your own Meta account. So yeah, so that's basically it on how to set up a Meta Business Manager account. I hope this particular tutorial was helpful. I was able to like take it step by step and explain everything in details. If that is the case, please, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. I'd like to give it a like and also hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when we update and upload a new video. Yeah, and also if you would like us to help you in any way, in any issue that you're having with your Meta ad accounts, or you want us to help you with your marketing or your advertising, I'll also leave a link in the description for you to schedule a 30 minutes strategy section with me so that we can discuss and rub minds together on the best way to help you promote your business, the best way to help you solve your problem. So I'll leave the link in the description as well. And then lastly, I'll also leave the link to our community, Facebook community group. The group comprises of entrepreneurs and mentors ready to answer your question, mentors ready to walk you through, to guide you on any issue or anything that you are researching about or you want to know more about. they're actually available to answer your questions, and also entrepreneurs that you can connect with, you can also learn from, you can also ask questions as well. It's a very active community, so I'll drop the link. If you're interested, you can join the community with the link. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of the video, and do have a lovely day.